Tagging lists need to be accurately structured in order to be read as lists from assistive technologies. However, sometimes lists are not properly tagged, so the document ends up being not entirely accessible. In this case, the only way to create an accessible list is by manually adjusting their tag structure. Let's look at how you can make lists accessible with Foxit PhantomPDF. In this document, we have two lists. The first list is under the top red varieties heading and has been tagged correctly. If you look at its tag structure from the tag panel, we can see that there is a list tag which is representative as L. Then the list tag contains LI tags which represent the list item. Nested to the list item tags, there are LBL tags which represent the bullet symbols, and beneath them there are list body item tags which characterize the text of each bullet point. This is the proper way to tag a list in an accessible PDF document. The second list in the document, under the top white varieties heading, is not tagged properly. It has been tagged as paragraph text, or P. To make this document fully accessible, we need to manually change its tag structure. To do this, go to the H2 tag of the page that represents the title Top White Varieties. Double-click on it and select New Tag, then select List from the Type drop-down menu, then click OK. The new tag list has been added. Now we need to create two list item tags which represent the list elements. So again, go to the list tag we just created, double-click on it, and select Create New Tag. This time select List Item as the tag type and click over OK. Repeat the same process for the second list item. Now that we have two list item tags, we need to nest them beneath the main list tag by clicking and dragging them. The following step is to detach each bullet point from the text beside it. First, start by opening the Reader Order tool under the Accessibility tab. Once it's open, unselect Show Page Content Groups to get a better view of the document and check the Page Content Order radio button. Then select the first bullet point and tag it as text/paragraph. As we can see, the new paragraph tag appears on the tag panel. Now select it from the tag panel, right-click on it, and choose Properties and change its type tag to Label. Then close and repeat the same process for the second bullet point. For the list body items, we need to change the tag type to List Item Body. Once again, select the existing paragraph tags and change their type tags to Body. After you have created the label and the List Item Body tags, we need to nest them under each List Item tag. To do this, select the List Item tag 1 and drag it beneath the List Item 1. Then take List Item Body tag 1 and drag it under the List Label 1. Repeat the same process for the others. Check if the new tag list structure is correct. If so, we have created an accessible list.